Hey everyone, Christina Flores here from Wanderland's Artistry. In this episode, I'll take you behind the scenes of the 2024 Redbull Flugtag to show you some jaw-dropping stunts and incredible creations. On November 9, 2024, Tampa played host to this spectacular event at the Tampa Convention Center, with 32 daring teams taking flight. Welcome to the world's most creative, thrilling, and downright wacky event, where extraordinary human-powered flying machines push the limits of gravity. This episode will give you everything you need to dive into the zaniest aeronautical show of the year. Best of all, it's free and open to the public, so you can witness the crazy action live. Here's a bit of history and a fun fact for you. Redbull Flugtag is a wild and quirky event organized by Red Bull, where competitors showcase their creativity with homemade, human-powered flying machines. These contraptions must be under 10 meters in size and weigh no more than 150 kilograms. Typically, they're launched from a pier about 9 meters above a body of water, though the flying part is more for show. Most entries are more about splash than soar. The concept dates back to 1971, when it began as the Birdman Rally in the seaside town of Chelsea, England. Red Bull picked up the idea and launched the first official Flugtag event in 1992 in Vienna, Austria. Since then, it has become a global sensation, held annually in over 35 cities worldwide. If you're new to the channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and join the crew. I release fresh episodes every week, where we explore amazing places across Florida, the US, and even around the world. Your support helps me bring more travel stories and adventures to your screen. So thank you for helping make this dream possible. Alright, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. After 3 hours of crowd-pleasing plummets and ascents, Team Flugtag from Orlando landed first place with a remarkable flight distance of 51 feet and an Austin Powers-inspired craft theme and costume. They will be getting an experience at the 2025 Formula One Grand Prix. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at @WonderlandsArtistry. This is Christina, reminding you to embrace getting lost, discover new places, and seek out exciting adventures. Until next time, everyone. Ciao.